Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today is a very exciting day. We are going to see the elephants. This is like, how long have you been waiting for this, sweetheart? Oh, this is gonna be amazing. So we're gonna do a little shopping around here, which, by the way, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. This is from our room. And then we're gonna go over to the elephants. Where are we going? What is it called?
Elephant Reserve.
The Phuket Elephant Reserve. Yeah. Yep. So we're gonna head over there and should be a good day. Should be an awesome day. So I found this walking trail while I was walking the other day, and it cuts right through pretty much to our resort, to the beach. It's really nice. And it's kind of cute because there's like there's cows and horses and stuff on the way. It's really cool. Definitely like in the middle of nature here. What? Look at the butterfly. It's so beautiful. Hi. That was awesome. Now I don't think we walk this far. Whoa, I feel very relaxed out here. So we are walking to the 7-Eleven. It's extremely hot out right now. Whoa. May I have your name? Sure. Yep, that's it. It's very cool. Let's go now. We're putting bug spray on. Good idea. Move my legs too. Man, I am so excited to see the elephant. What about you? This is so cool. It's awesome. This waiting area really nice too.
And also we want to join with the one project, the name the World Protection Animal. And also actually at the first century in Thailand, she also do this. No riding, no bathing, no touching, and no feeding elephant, because she says she rescued elephant from working. And then when the people rescue elephant from working, it means you have to give everything back to them. If you still use them for shower or do something, it's like I used to.
Two species of elephant, the African and the Asian. African elephants have rounded heads, large ears, and weigh between 5 to 7 tons.
That's really sad.
I know.
But it's good that this place is ethical and very nice.
Yeah. Just make sure you can see her and you can hear me by name. We got 5 elephants. Listen to me. I will tell you if you have to run. 5 elephants, they got the name. Only one thing, they understand you. You can call the elephant name, they understand you. Yeah. This is Lotus. Lotus. The Lotus. 48 years old now. Lotus is the first rescue. We take her from here. Because of COVID, it's like owner wanna sell her. It's a baby in the room. It's a big baby. I She do the last group by the way, so now that her keeper have lunch. We cannot let her by herself. She running and go to the neighbor farm. So we're gonna go to making some food inside. Are you good cooking? It's okay. We make a smaller also, maybe 2 or 3. Then we got some corn. This one we peel and then we chop it. And I got papaya. You also can share by the way. Papayas, I recommend this is very good for the stomach and help elephant for pooping. Human also. If you have problem with poop stuff, you eat papaya. Can I have like this side please? This is easy for them to grab.
She's saying which side?
Cut it off.
Yeah, cut the...
Chop this off.
This is way better than it looks, baby.
Let me try.
Yeah, sure. So, again, let's look at the pineapple. For the elephant.
You know how many hours elephant eat per day?
20.
20 or too much? 16, yeah, just only 16. 16. Thangla, she's a moody elephant. She someday she not friendly, someday she friendly. I like her up there.
Papaya.
No papaya on this.
Papaya.
Yes, can do. Before I was born in Thailand, they got one elephant, 170 years. But now people say it's like a pineapple. You can take pineapple to another one. And after this, we have 2 more elephants. At the last station, she's so friendly elephant.
So this one no pineapple.
Alright.
But Lotta, she can stay with everyone. She's not a fighter. She's not a gangster. Hello? Kita? But now she like...
Hello.
Now we have to exercise her a lot. How to escape. She came here on the second day. She escaped to the camp.
Hello. Hey.
It's okay. Lie. It's okay.
Oh my gosh, hello. Oh. Hey. Very nice.
I like her face. She got the smile face.
Wow. I feel like I've been saying wow a lot on this trip, but that was truly magical. Seeing the elephants up close, that was awesome. What'd you think about it, sweetheart?
Very cool.
Oh. I kind of wish we had more time with them. It was very cool. Very awesome, but it was so hot out. Wow. But wow, that's truly magical. I hope you guys enjoyed the clips that we got and the really close experiences that we had. That was awesome. So we're back near our resort. Man, that was awesome. What'd you think about the elephant sanctuary?
It was very cool.
Wow, we're gonna have to get the name for you guys later of that elephant sanctuary. It was very ethical and very good, and they really care about the animals. It was just a really nice experience. But now we're gonna go get some food. How much for food? Sorry.
How about 2 mangoes?
You want 2 mangoes too? Okay, well, all right. All right, we're back at the market. See what we can get. I think I want to get some chicken, and hopefully the ladies here with the fruit smoothies, they were real good. I know, but not all that. Hi. How much for the chicken?
Fish and chicken.
Chicken, yep. How much?
10 baht for one.
Let's take
10 baht, 10 baht for one.
10 for one. How much should I get?
10.
3?
2.
Oh, yeah, I'll get 2.
Thank you.
Thank you. The AC in here is nice. It's hot out today. Let's see, what do I want? I'm getting some oyster. Hey, what is that 100 thing? Alright, so Letty got fruit at the store. So this was 33 and this was 99. Not too bad. And then she got a coconut water. And I got fried chicken with a sauce that's so good. And then we have I'm trying to try all the Fanta flavors. They have so many. This one is banana, orange, pineapple. Should be good.